both sides.
Hey guys, it's girl Moy and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So if you hear that echoing noise, as you can see, I'm in my bathroom. So I need to wash my hair. It's looking very mad, very crazy, very shrunken and all of that. I did like a wash and go for like, it was about 3-4 days ago. And this is the aftermath. Definitely needs to wash, definitely needs to be detangled because, girl, it is crazy up in here. But I couldn't find my detangling brush, so luckily for Amazon Prime, they got that next day shipping. So I was like, on Amazon, I was like, let me just get me a detangling brush, and I saw this one. So if y'all know, they have the Easy brush that looked like this, and I was like, ooh, that looks like the Easy brush. Let me just try it to see if it works, because I definitely need to wash my hair, and my sister lost my detangling brush, so I ordered me this, and it literally came like half an hour ago, an hour ago. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go wash my hair. It also came with this little piece right here. And like, as you can see with the brush, it's like that. So this piece, I'm guessing if you want to like separate the brush, I assume, you could, oh, how does it work? You could clip it on the back like this. So I ain't gonna lie, this was a little bit hard to do, but at the end you end up with your brush like spaced out like that, and you could go ahead and use it that way, or you could remove it and use it. I'm gonna try it both ways. So like, I have it now, I'm not gonna go through all of that again. So I'm gonna use it like this, and then after I'm gonna use it without the bone part and see how that looks. Alright, so just fix that. Hopefully you guys can see me fine. It is a little bit steamy in here, so the camera lens needed to be clean. Hopefully I clean it properly. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go in with my conditioner, and I'm just do one side first. Ew. So I'm not going to separate my hair. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. In this situation, I'm not going to, because I need to be out the bathroom so my siblings can use the bathroom. So we're just going to do this on one side. Once I have this done, I'm also going to go in with a second conditioner, and it's the Curl and Shine conditioner from Shea Moisture, because this is my holy grail. This is like the freaking gold. Still love me some Shea Moisture brand. I'm just pumping a whole lot of that onto my hand. Whoa. So I'm going to take about that much to my whole entire head. Especially the ends, because that's where it's going to need the most. if I keep looking that way, like right here, it's because the viewfinder is right here and I don't have anything else looking because the camera is blocking the mirror, so my apologies. Alright, now is, oh, I didn't even tell you guys what brand this was. This is the XXTY. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's XXTYLO, Zitilo, Stylo, is that, it's whatever. But I got this on Amazon and it's one of those easy brush dupes, and that was actually bad. You guys saw my hair at the very beginning, how it was, and all I did was shampoo it. I didn't even finger detangle, none of that, just shampoo, wash it out, and now with the conditioner. The conditioner has to make my hair like super soft, so that's actually pretty good. And I don't feel it like tugging or like you know, sometimes when you have natural, there is some hair coming out, but like it's probably because of how my hair was all that time. But I don't feel my hair like snugging or snapping. You know, when you have natural hair and you hear like that little snap, like an elastic band snap, I'm not getting that. Our hair is a little bit more natural, it does need a little more brushing, but still no pretty good. It does have a lot of hair, but like I said, that's from like hair breakage because I haven't combed my hair in so long and it was just in out. Yeah, so that's just breakage from that, but that looks pretty good. And I'm gonna do this side. So for this side, I'm just gonna take the bone from the back, and let me also get the hair out. And you guys can't see this, but oops, okay, can't hold. I literally tried to stick the hair onto the walls just so it doesn't go in the drain, but it fell to the floor. But still, I'm not gonna make it go in the drain because that's really bad. So now I'm gonna use it without the bone. Let's see. So this is a little bit harder to go through my hair. As you can see, it is tugging. Whoa. So like this, without the bone, even though it's flexible and doing all of that, it is giving a little bit more friction, as you can see, and it is a little bit more harder to comb out your hair with it like this, because this should have been like easy breezy finish already, and still when I go through it, look, it's so hard. I'm tugging up my hair right now, and that was so hard and it hurted a little bit, but it shouldn't have been like that. It should have been really smooth going down. Now this side is a little bit more defined than this side, a little bit more defined, and my curls do fall a little bit more than this side. And this side's already detangled, so it goes through it a lot better, a little bit. But I don't know if this side of my hair is a little bit more knotted or not, but it is a little bit more harder to comb my hair out or to detangle my hair. when the brush is like this. So I'm gonna put it back in and just go ahead and see. Okay, so that goes through a little bit better, a little bit quicker than it was before. But I'm gonna come to a conclusion and say that this side of my hair is a little bit more knotted than this side was. But it does comb through a lot better and a lot faster when you have the bone in the back. And it gives you a whole lot of definition too. I've had other detangling brush that I've used. I'll insert some pictures right here of the ones that I've used before, and I have to say this does give a lot of definition. It does give a lot of definition compared to my other brushes. It's given me a lot of definition. If you look at that, as you can tell, one side of my hair is a little bit shorter than one side. I know. I know, sis. I know. This side. My hair on this side needs to be clipped. It's because of bleaching it so much that's why it looked like that. But apart from that, I'm pretty good. Like, I feel pretty good with the results. I almost died. I literally almost died. But let's get back to the video. I had to turn that off because obviously it's cleared up in here and I feel like you guys can't really hear me. I'm gonna have to voice over some parts. But as I was saying, it's pretty good. The definition is pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with this, even though it's not the actual thing, it's a dupe. But let me tell you, a lot of these brushes are made in China and you could get them on like Alibaba, and all you have to do is put your signature on there, and then depending on what you're doing you could customize your packaging. So a lot of these are pretty much the same, just saying. But yeah, pretty satisfied, pretty neat with these, pretty good results. I actually like it, and I didn't waste my money. I didn't waste my coins. Sis is happy. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Let me just get my camera out of here, out of this moist air before I ruin it. As you can see, I'm fogging up again, but let me just say, this is so good. I just rinsed my hair out. Look at that. Ooh, I don't know what's going on for there. So I just rinsed my hair out and look at that. It still combs through. So good. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Bye.